If the line passes through the origin, what equation is displayed? Okay, remember, we're kind of comparing two equations these days. First, we learned this equation, y equals kx. And now we're learning y equals mx plus b. Don't be confused by the k and the m. The k and the m are both the same in both of these equations. It's the rate. The k is the constant of proportionality, the rate, or some ratio described in the problem. The m is the same thing, and both of these are the slope of the line. But anyway, later when we start calling it the slope, we just say m. In your algebra classes, it's going to be m. And then the b is the y-intercept. Well, this also has a b. The plus b is actually just a plus 0. Plus 0 over here. It's starting from 0. So if the line passes through the origin, what equation is displayed? The origin is 0.00. If it passes through 0, it's a plus 0. It means the translation up or down is 0. Okay, can you put your answers? I would like to type it in to help you, especially because my computer pen is just so slow right now. Let me type that in. If the line passes through the origin, then b equals 0. In other words, the y-intercept equals 0. So the equation is in the form y equals mx. Okay, got it? So the equation is in the form y equals mx. Okay, let's try another one. A student says that the graph of the equation y equals 3 times parentheses x plus 8 end parentheses is the same as the graph of y equals 3x. Only translated upward by 8 units. Do you agree? Why or why not? Well, yeah, wait, look, it says plus 8. Doesn't that mean it's just translated up 8 units? Well, not exactly. Let me show you those equation forms again. Y equals some m, which is the slope, times x plus b. Now, there's no parentheses in this equation, but there are in this. So we need to use the distributive property here and find out what it is if we put it in this form. Okay, so 3 times x is 3. I'm going to use the distributive property. 3 times x is 3x plus, and then 3 times 8 is 24. So when you put it into standard form, please remember this is standard form. When you put it into standard form, you can see that it is not translated up 8 units. It's translated up 24 units. So I disagree. It is not the same as y equals 3x translated up by 8 units. It is the same as y equals 3x translated up 24 units. All right, please put in your answer here. I'm not going to type it for you first this time. I want you to understand it and type it in yourself. Listen again if you don't understand it yet.